Hey guys, we are currently here in Baguio, and for breakfast we're going to Good Days Baguio. Usually guys, sobrang daming tao sa Good Days, and time check, it's 9 a.m. So let's see kung mahaba ba yung pila. This one is Burnham Park, this one is the Otex Street, and sa gilid nito yung Good Days. Walang pila usually, sobrang daming tao dito pag lunchtime. Ang nagsiserve dito is robot. Super cool! Kay ate is the chop suey. Kay daddy naman is the garlic butter chicken. Mine naman is yung kanilang spare ribs. Sobrang laki guys. Ito yung maganda sa Good Taste, and ito yung reason ba't ang daming tao dito kasi maraming serving yung food nila and affordable. This one is 65 pesos lang. Mostly ng food nila yung nasa 200 plus lang. Mine is spare ribs kaya medyo pricey, 300 something, pero look ko parang hindi siya good for one lang.